If you're experiencing server timeout issues on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to potentially speed up the connection and resolve the problem. Follow these steps for a quick fix. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or connecting via Ethernet for a more stable connection. Step 2. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Steam and system software. Make sure that both your Steam client and the Steam Deck's operating system are up to date. Go to the settings menu and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Change download region. In the Steam settings, navigate to the download section and change your download region to a different location. Sometimes, server issues can be region-specific, and switching to a different server can improve your connection. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes web browsers, streaming services, or other downloads. Freeing up resources can help improve your connection speed. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up your connection and reduce server timeout issues on your Steam Deck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.